Good morning. Welcome to lectures online for Asindibad Private School, English language for grade 8 by Basil Ali. Unit 7, lesson 4 and 5, lecture 16, student book, lesson 4 and 5, and activity book. First of all, we will begin with this reading passage. I'm going to read it. Please try to mark the important words by your highlighters. A warmer world. Is the world getting warmer? Yes, it is. Why is this happening? There may be other causes, but it is mainly our fault. Why is it our fault? We are burning fuels like coal, gas, oil, and wood. And we are driving cars. I don't understand. All these produce gases that trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. If the world gets warmer, what will happen? The ice caps will melt, so the sea level will rise. This means some land will disappear. Also, it's possible that the weather will change. In what way? We might have hotter summers and wetter winters in some hot countries. There may be less rain and some farmland might become desert. Will all this happen soon? Some things are already happening, but others may take 30 or 40 years. Can we stop it happening? We can if we want to. Here, I'll go back to page 76, and we have these definitions from the previous lesson 4, which you must memorize upon your hearts. It is very important. There is a note. A person who does a job without pay. Volunteer. To add harmful things to water, etc. It means pollute. To drop rubbish, littering. Places where animals live, habitat. Okay, now we have here the use of may and might. Of course, we use may and might to say that there is a chance that something is true, or that it is possible something will happen. Both of them, may and might use for this case or for this possibility, but might is less certain than may. Notice these two examples. I may not be at school tomorrow. It might be too windy to go sailing this afternoon. Now, we are going to go to the activity book on page 97, and we have B, which is not still undone. People are still allowed to hunt blue whales. False. Male and female golden toads are different colors. True. People hunted tigers because they are very dangerous. False. Now we have this in lesson 4 about please keep the rivers clean. Name the 2 great rivers in Iraq. Of course, they are Tigris and Euphrates. 2. Name 3 negative effects of river pollution. Destroys natural habitats of wildlife and damages rivers. It causes damage to health. We have many effects. 3. Name 2 things that can be done to clean up Iraq's rivers. First, stop littering and force the government to stop sewage and waste from factories. 4. Name 2 activities people can enjoy in clean rivers. Of course, clean river. When we have clean rivers, we can have or enjoy many activities like fishing, swimming, and boating, and so on. 5. Which 3 buildings create sewage and waste in the rivers? Factories, hospitals, and power stations. Now, we have lesson 5 questions about the reading passage, which is on page 77. Do you know that the world is getting warmer? Yes, we do. 2. Why do cars make the world warmer? It produces gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. 3. What do we get when ice melts? Some lands will disappear and weather will change. 4. Why will the sea level rise? The ice caps will melt. 5. Which of the fuels do you think factories burn? Okay, you know, factories burn many types of fuels like coal, oil, gas, or even fuels. 6. Do you think factories will stop using them? No, I don't. But just if they found alternatives, بدائل. 7. If the world carries on getting warmer, what might happen to Iraq? Farmland might become desert, hotter summers, and less rain. Thank you, goodbye, and good luck.